Today we're gonna take a look at how to reverse clips on CapCut. CapCut has a separate option where you can reverse any kinds of videos that you have. So to quickly get in the video, firstly let's head over to the app of CapCut and then simply open up a project if you already have, or tap on new project and import the video. Now once your video has been imported, what you can do is simply tap on the video like this, and once the video has been selected, you can see on the bottom there are a few options that you can choose from. You just need to swipe left and you'll see an option of reverse right here. It should be besides copy and besides the freeze option. You can tap on reverse, and depending upon how long your video is, it's gonna take up time. And after a few seconds, you can see the video now has been completely reversed. Now you can tap on the arrow on the top right, export it to your phone. So that was a quick video on how to reverse clips on CapCut. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you are new to our channel, also subscribe and hit that notification bell. That's going to be all for today, and I'll be back with more.